Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Mathematic by Varuna. Now in today's video, we will understand what is a line segment. So let us begin. Now suppose we have 2 points, say A and B. Therefore, the straight path that joins both A and B is called as a line segment. Hence, we get if A and B are 2 points, then the straight path joining these 2 points is a line segment. Now, how do we denote a line segment? Here, it is denoted by AB with a small line above AB showing that it's a line segment. It is a line segment which has two endpoints. Now, the line segment AB can also be written as line segment BA. It's one and the same thing. Now, let us understand how to measure line segments. Now we have first example over here. Let us take this as say PQ. Now we have to measure that what is the length of PQ. For this we require a ruler. And what do? We put one end of the ruler which is 0.0 at P and then we keep the next end. It goes on till we move in the direction of Q and we see that Q lies at what point. Now Q lies at 10. Hence this line segment is of length 10 centimeter and we denote it as PQ with a line above it and it is 10 centimeter. Now let's take another example. Over here, let's call it as say C and D. Again, to measure it, we take a ruler, put one end point which is C at 0.0, put the ruler, extend it in the direction of D and see at what point D lies. Now D lies at 0.7, hence CD is of length 7 centimeter and we represent it as CD with a line above A, CD is equal to 7 centimeter. Now, I hope with this, the concept of line segment is clear and we will meet in the next video to understand what is a ray. Thank you.